Hello students, let us perform experiment passive band pass filter. The aim of this experiment is to construct passive band pass filter and to study its frequency response. The apparatus that we have needed: high pass filter, low pass filter, frequency generator, digital multimeter, breadboard and connecting wires. See the circuit diagram of passive band pass filter. It consists of high pass filter which is formed by using two components R1 and C1, and R2 and C2 forms a low pass filter. Formula. So here I have taken some values. Two capacitor we have needed, R1 C1 and R2 C2. Two capacitors are there, C1 and C2, having code 103. So we can evaluate the value of the code 103 like this way: 10 raised to 4 picofarad, and finally it becomes 10 raised to minus 8 farad. F1 is low cutoff frequency of high pass filter. It has formula 1 upon 2 pi R1 C1. Suppose we have selected cutoff frequency F1, which is 2000 Hertz, then we can calculate the value of R1. And this is the low cutoff frequency, which is F1. And for F2, suppose we have selected value of F2 4000 Hertz, then we can find the value of R2. Okay, so R1 we can calculate because we know the value of F1 and C1, and R2 we can also calculate. Okay, so let us see the actual construction of the circuit. It consists of signal generator, input voltmeter, and see the components here. C1, we can also compare this to the circuit diagram. C1 R1, C1 and R1 is there, and here C2 and R2 is there. Okay, C1 and C2 both are same, 10 raised to minus 8 farad, right? But the resistor that we need to construct the band pass filter, which are R1 and R2, we don't get the exact values of R1 and R2 which we have obtained from this formula. So for that I have taken approximate values which are near to R1 and R2. Okay, so that you can evaluate this code which is exist on R1. So here you can see the color combination. Gray color is there, after that red and red, gray, red and red, and here first one is for R2 I am talking. First one is yellow, then violet and then red. Yellow, violet and red. Okay, so this is the construction of passive band pass filter, and we have to measure the voltage across C2. So for that we have digital multimeter. Okay, so let us perform this experiment by just setting the frequency, and we have to measure the output voltage. Okay, so first is for 100 Hertz. 100 Hertz, we can note down the voltage. It is 0.1 volt. Then let us go for 200. For 200 it is 0.2 volt. For 300 it is 0.3 volt or 0.4 volt, you can also take. For 400, 0.5 volt. For 500, 0.6 volt. For 600, 0.8 hold. For 700, 0.9 hold. For 800, 1 hold. For 900, 1.1 hold. This is for 1000. For 1000 again 1.1 hold. I have to take the reading for 2000, that is why I have increased the range. From 100 range I have shifted to 1000 range. Okay, so let us take a reading for 1500 for fine reading. Okay, why this is so? Because we have selected the frequency range f2 which is 2000 and f1 which is 2000 and f2 which is 4000. That is why it is better if we go smoothly. 1.2 hold. Then for 2000 okay, 1.3 hold. 2500, 1.3 hold. 3000, 1.2 hold. 3500, again 1.2 hold. 4000, it is 1.1 hold. 4500, point or 1.0 hold. For 5000, 0.8. 5500, again 0.8. 6000, 0.7 hold. 6500, again 0.6 hold or 0.7 also you can take. Then for 7000, 0.6 hold. For 8000, again 0.6 hold. No, it reaches to 0.5 also. You can take 0.5. For 8500, again 0.5. Then for 9000, 0.4 is there. And last reading for 10,000, it is 0.4. Okay, so in this way we can set the particular frequency and we can note down the voltage for band pass filter.